Hello everyone. In this exercise of SolidWorks, we will create a armchair with the circular pipes in SolidWorks Weldments. Let's start. File, new, part is the default template. Okay. This is the SolidWorks user interface. I am selecting background plain white and unit system is the millimeter gram second. You can select any other system. I will create a armchair in the SolidWorks weldment. Okay. Front plane, I will take the arbitrary dimension. Okay. Front plane, this. I will create this. First, I will create the 3D sketch with the help of a 3D model. Okay. I am taking line here. This and this and this one. Select this horizontal and vertical. Okay, and background. This dimension I am taking 450 mm. 450 mm. Okay, and this dimension 425. 425. This is also I am taking 425. 425. Okay, this sketch is fully defined. Okay, now future extrude boss base. This one. Future extrude boss base mid plane and one thin future one direction. I am taking this 40 mm. This will I am moving downward. I will use this sketch above one. Okay, mid plane and this dimension I am taking 450. This one. This. Right button. Okay. Now this is 4 feet. Okay. Now fillet. I will use the fillet 20, 30, 40. Constant radius, constant. First option. This one. This and this and this and this. This and this and this. 6 fillet. This one, this and this and this one. Okay, hit right button. This one. Now sketch 3D sketch. With this model, I will create 3D motion. How? Select this edge. This edge, right click, select tangency. All the continuous lines which are tangent to each other are selected. Okay, and then convert entity. This one and sketch this one. This one. Okay. Right click, hide this one. This is our 3D sketch. I will create a pipe structure in the SolidWorks weldment structure. We enter in the weldment environment, structure member. I am selecting this pipe. But later on, I will convert this size into 30 mm of thickness, true mm. Standard ISO, pipe and group. This one. This. You have to select continuously, not this one. If you select this one, it will not be selected. This one. 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 If you select this one, it will not be selected. Select continuously this one, and this one. But you have to keep one thing in mind. You have to check this merge arc segment. Otherwise, this will break here. This will break in the final assembly. Okay. You have to select it. You have to check this merge arc segment. What is this one? And hit right button. This is our structure. Okay, now this is structure. Now I will make the back portion here. Here is the back seat of armchair. Okay, how front plane, this sketch, normal, this one, and this one. I am taking this line and this from center point, this one, this line, out. Dimension, this dimension I am taking 300. You can note the dimension, and this dimension I am taking only 50 mm. And this angle and this angle I am taking 102 only, 102 degree only. Okay, fillet, this I am taking 30 mm fillet only, 30 mm to 30. Right button, cancel it. Sketch is fully defined. Now, first I will convert this pipe into this one. You will see out of the sketch. Okay, first I will convert this pipe, this one. This pipe is, you will see, this pipe is 33.70 OD and ID 25. I will convert this is the 30 mm pipe, simple. This one, and this I am taking 30 minus 4, that is 26. And 2 mm thickness pipe I am taking 30 mm OD and 2 mm thickness, this one, and hit right this one. Okay, now I have drawn another sketch here. Use this one. This I have drawn another sketch here. Okay, now out of the sketch, weldment structure member, you take, I will convert this pipe, I will use of 25 mm die. Okay, I take this size, ISO standard pipe circular, this one. Later on I will convert into 25 mm size. First this one, this continuously, this and this line, this is okay. This is now I will convert this one. You will see this size is 26 point. This one, this I will take 25 mm OD, this one 25, and ID is the 20, this one is the 21, 25 minus 4, that is 21. This is 25 mm dia pipe, ID is 21, 2 mm thickness pipe. Okay, this one. Also merge arc segment bodies, and this one, and hit this one, fresh repeater. This one 25 mm, 20 mm, this one. Okay, now I will shift this point, this segment, this one, this pipe here, because I am creating the back seat here. Okay, now how? Direct editing, move copy bodies, select bodies, this one, select this body, copy. No, I will not make a copy. Uncheck this one. This in this direction, Z direction. How much? That is a 340 divided by 2 at a distance of 170. Okay, not uncheck this one and this one. And again, I move body at a distance of 340 mm. How? Again, move body, copy. Now this time copy, check. Select this one and 340. This one. But this is moving there. Now shift this one. In this way, you get this one. Okay. This I have made this one. This is 30 into 26 mm dia. And this body, this pipe is 25 into 21 mm. Okay, 2 pipes I have separated. Now you will see, if I check this one, you will see this pipe is penetrating in this one. So how we'll remove this inside portion? How I will remove? Trim and body, weldment, trim and extend command. Trim and extend command, this one, select this one, and this one also. This one. I am trimming this one. The portion, this pipe is penetrating in this pipe. The face, this one. This one, face. Now system is asking whether you want to keep the portion which is inside, you want to keep? No, discard. You want to keep? No, discard. I will keep this portion and this one. If you select, I select, right click, select, right click, isolate this one. You will see this is required. Okay, exit, isolate. This is not penetrating in this one. Okay, this. Now I will create a armchair. Isolate. Yes, this one. This is what I want. Now I will create the arm. Now how you will create? This is extrude up to 450 mm. Okay. Now front plane, again front plane. This one, sketch, normal. Line, 3D sketch is still visible. Okay. This and this line. Because the 3D sketch is visible and this sketch is also visible. Okay. Now dimension, this I am taking 455 mm. Just where the curvature ends, and this height I am taking 200. You can note the dimension 200 mm. Now, but this is sketch. Okay. Now what you will do? Future extrude boss base, but this time blind, and this height you would take arm distance, that is the 600 divided by 2. This one, 600 divided by 2, that is at a distance of 300. This half portion I will use, and thin feature is 40 mm. This is thin feature. I will use above portion. This one. Sorry. I will use above portion with 3D. I will create a 3D sketch, another 3D sketch. This one, 300 at a distance from center. This one. Now fillet this portion, this fillet, but this time I am using 30 mm fillet only. This and this also, and this one. This edge, and this edge only. I am creating the arm. Okay. Sketch, 3D sketch, this one. 3D sketch, select this edge. Right click, select tangent. Now the line, continuous line, which are tangent to each other, that is selected. This one. This one. And the sketch, right click, hide. Body is hide. This one, show this one. This one, now fillet. Fillet, future, fillet. You will see the unmerged weld. This one, and fillet, constant fillet. This one, this edge, and this one. Only 3. 1, 2, 3, only this, and 30 mm, this one, this one. Now sketch, 3D sketch. I will create another 3D sketch. Select this edge, right click, select tangency and convert entity. Okay, the continuous line which are tangent to each other, that is selected and it converted, and this one. Now this body height, this one, this is another sketch is created. Now edit this sketch, same sketch, edit 3D sketch, and here you can view temporary axis, this one. Now this, carefully note this thing, this, and select this point, shift key, and this line, this coincidence. Same thing here, this, and select this point, shift, and this coincidence relation. Okay, sketch is fully defined. Now in weldment, out of the sketch, first out of the sketch, structure member, this one. I will later on this convert also 25 mm size. Okay, group, this one, ISO standard pipe 33.74. Later on I will convert also, this size is 25 mm. Group, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, continuously, this one. And here you please make sure merge arc segment, we check this thing, otherwise that you will not be in position to select a body. You will have to select individual parts. Okay, merge arc must something, this one. If you select this one, this is one single body, you can select here. Now again select this one, select this die. I am taking 25 mm, 25, and this die I am taking 21 mm, because 25 minus 4, that is 21 ID, this one and this one, and this is converted 25 and 20. This die is 25 mm, this die is 25 mm, and this is 30 mm. Okay, now I will make a mirror. How? Future mirror, front plane, this one, front plane, this one, and select bodies. You have to select the bodies, this one. First refresh this one, first refresh this one. Now it converted. First, you, after converting the size, you have to refresh this button. Okay, now I will mirror plane, about, front plane, bodies, this body, or select with this one, this is mirror, this one, this is mirror. Okay, now you will see, if I select this body, this one, this is penetrating inside, you will see here, this is penetrating inside. So how I will trim it? Weldment, trim and extend, body to be, select this one, whole body is selected, face, I am selecting this one, no, delete this one, this one. System is asking, you want to keep? No, this is inside this one, keep, click here, keep, discard. You want to keep it? Yes, I want to keep it. The portion which is inside, that will be deleted, and hit this one. Okay, same way, trim, extend, this body, this is to be trimmed, this is inside, you will see it is penetrating inside. Face, this one, no, actually this is the boundary face. Now you want to keep? No, I want to delete. I want to keep only this. Okay, so this is created. If you select it, you will see isolate this one. This is pipe is connected, this one. Okay. In the same way, view hide this temporary axis. Okay. Now, if you select this one, this is also penetrating this one. Trim extend, this one selected, face this one. Clear? This one, this one. System is asking, you want to keep inside portion? No, I want to discard it. Keep? Yes, I want to use. Same way here. This is penetrating inside. Trim and extend. This one, select this body and face. Click this, face this one. This one. Now, if you select it, this body, you select it. This one. Right click, isolate. Same. You will see. This is. Now this arm I have created. Okay. Now I will create a pipe in order to provide a strength bottom and above. This bottom and above. So for this top plane, this one. Top plane, this one. This sketch, normal. Again normal. This is the back view. Okay. This line. Again one line. This is I providing the. I am adding two pipes here in the bottom in order to provide the strength here. Okay. This I will create the pipe of 30 mm. This pipe. How dimension? This dimension. Press shift and edge. Shift key. This one. I am taking 140 mm. This one and this dimension and this dimension I am taking 140 mm. This one. Sketch is fully defined. Now out of the sketch, structure member. This one, this I will convert into 30 mm pipe. This ISO standard circular pipe, this one, this and this one. This. Okay. Hit right button. Now you will see if I select this pipe, this is penetrating in this one. First you convert the pipe size. Select this. This I will taking 30 mm. And this I am taking 26 mm. 26 mm and 30 minus 4, 2 mm thickness pipe, 30 mm pipe. And this, hit right button and refresh it. First refresh it. Now it is. Okay. This is 30, 26 mm pipe. Okay, but this pipe you will see this is penetrating inside. These both pipes are penetrating inside. This one. First I will shift. I will move these two pipes here, where the seat I will put a cushion here. Okay, how I will shift? Direct editing, move body, select this body. Okay, I have to move up in the Y direction, in this direction, Y direction. So distance is 450 in Z direction, Y direction. Y direction I am taking 450 distance. But make sure this should be copy should be checked here. This one. Okay. This one. future, and isometric. This one. This I have created this one. Okay. Now you can provide the, now I will provide the sheet here. Sheet. Here I will provide the cushion. This is arm pad, and here is the back sheet. How I will provide the back sheet? First, front plane. Front plane sketch normal. This one, normal. You create this 3-point corner triangle. This one, this second point, and this one. Okay, this one, and back this one. Now take a construction line here, from here. This construction line, select this line, shift, and this line. Make collinear. Okay. Now again, this line, shift, this line, and this line. Symmetric relation. Okay. This distance from here, small dimension from this and this. This distance I am taking 30 mm. Okay. This distance I am taking 50 mm only. I am providing back sheet here. This one, and this height I am taking this height I am taking 200 mm. 200 mm. Okay. This is the back sheet actually for support. mm and 250. 200 is the this one and this. Now front plane, this normal. Or you can take it 170. 170 you can take it. From here you can take it this one, 30 mm. Or you can increase this 40 mm. This one. Okay, this one. Now extrude, future, extrude boss base, mid plane, unmerged rail, and this distance I am taking 4. This is 450. 450. This one. This is the back seat here. Okay. You can provide this back sheet here. Now you provide the fillet here. Fillet, constant radius fillet. This one, and this is 40 mm. 40 mm. This one. This one, and this one. Fillet, and now another fillet, full round fillet. This one, second box, this one, third box, this one, full round. This is the back seat here. Okay, this I am providing back sheet here. And now I will provide the cushion here. This is a for sitting purpose. How? Front plane, sketch, normal. Now select this one, this height I am taking 60 mm only. Now distance from here, shift, and this I am taking this only 15 mm. This I am taking 15 mm distance. Length, this distance I am taking 480. This one. This is 480. And now one relation. This, select this line, shift, and this edge, this line, collinear, this one. Okay, this one. And extrude boss base, mid plane. What is the extrude? This is, I am taking this 40, 50, 60, 60. Yes, this is the 560. Extrusion is this one. Okay, this is the sheet here. Now I will provide the fillet. First is the constant radius fillet. This is 40 mm. This, and this fillet. This one. Okay, another fillet. Constant radius, this edge. Wholly selected. Now another, this one. And this is 10 mm only. Hit right button. This one. This is provided. Now I will provide the arm pad here. How I will provide? I am taking front plane sketch. No. Right plane, this one, this plane, sketch, this, and sketch. This is plane, I am taking this plane. So you select this circle, and convert entity, select it. Now select this one and construction. Okay, this is converted. I am making a square here. Center rectangle, this one, this, and select this line, shift this line, make a square, equal. $50 mm. This is also 50 mm by default. Okay, and this one. Now future extrude boss base. Now mid plane, blind. You have to select blind, but this is going in this direction. Okay. First you take the offset. Offset you have to take 280. Offset you take 280. First you take offset. But this is moving, this is from sketch plane up at a distance of 280 offset, but I am reversing this direction. Okay, but this length is 350 only. 350. Offset is, you can increase. Offset is 450. You can take this position. Offset is 450 from here. From this sketch plane, offset is 450 in this direction and the total length is 350 mm. This one. This parameter you can check here. Offset at a distance of 450 from this plane. Okay. If I reverse, this go in this direction. This one. And extrude length is 350 mm. So hit right button, this one. One thing more you can see, this is, should be unmerged. Merge and unmerge it. Make sure unmerge this one. You also see this one, base extrude, this one, unmerge it, this one. Okay. This is also you see, unmerge it, unmerge. Okay. Okay, I am providing. Now I make a fillet, full round fillet here. Full round fillet, first this box, second this box, and third this box. Now, right click, delete this box, this third box, full round fillet. This shape I have provided, arm pad. Now future mirror bodies, this one, select this one. Plane, front plane, this one, this way. I have I have completed all the things. Okay, you will see. Now I will provide the appearance in this. First, make the sketch. In order to visualize clearly this model, you hide the sketches, 3D sketches, hide. This sketch, hide. Or you can hide from here also. This one, hide. Or this one, hide. I think I have hide all the things. Yes, now the picture is clearly isometric. This one, I will provide the appearance. First, I will provide the appearance here. Boss extrude with this one. I open here. I provide the thickness mostly in this from Feature Tree Manager. Scroll, boss extrude, this one, appearance. Appearance, you go in the fabric, cloth, blue cotton, this one. Okay. This one, right click, copy. This one, paste appearance. Mirror, paste appearance, this one. Same way, fillet. This one, paste appearance. Fillet, paste appearance, this one. Boss extrude, paste appearance, this one. And sheet. This one, paste appearance. This one, front of this thing, paste appearance. Boss extrude, this one, paste appearance. This way, I have provided this. These are the actually cushion, these are the arm pad, and this is the back sheet. Now, first I will provide this pipe structure. This appearance. No, this pipe. First this pipe I am providing. This one. This one I am giving red color here. This one. This is red color here. Also provide this pipe and this pipe also. Copy appearance and these pipes. No, this one. 33. This one, paste appearance. Okay. And body. This one, paste appearance. This bottom pipes, paste appearance. This one. Two color I have provided. Now this one, this pipes. Yeah, this one, back pipe. Appearance. I am providing blue. This one, and body move. Copy, body move, paste appearance. This one, and this one. You will, if I select this one, the pipe is highlighted, and this one, and this one, and paste appearance. This one, and now arm pad. This pipe. This one, appearance, green. This one. This one. Mirror, this one. Copy appearance, this mirror. paste appearance this way. In this way, enclose from here. And this is the isometric view. So I have completed all the things here. In this way, you can make the cuts. There are different types. Basically, our purpose is to understand how to use the trim extend command, how to use the structural members, and how to provide the mirrors, etc., and the body to be shifted in this. I hope you would have enjoyed in my this exercise. You please like, share, and subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much.